So a few weeks ago, we unboxed and assembled the Growell 2-tier hydroponic system. Today, we are going to plant some of my favorite items: cilantro, lettuce, butter crunch, and orange hat dwarf tomatoes. And in 30 days, we'll come back and see how everything is growing. So these are orange hat seeds. They're very small. I soaked them in some water for a couple hours to get them pre-moistened. And now I'm going to put them in their sponge home. So we have our seeds in. In the top tier, we have orange hat dwarf tomatoes. We have 4 of them. And we also have 2 cilantro plants. In the bottom tier, we have 4 butter crunch lettuce. And we'll come back in a couple weeks to see what the germination is like. And then a couple weeks after that, we'll see if we are able to do our harvest. It's been about a month since we planted our seeds, and check out our butter crunch lettuce. It is doing phenomenal. 3 of the 4 seeds germinated and grew, and this is what you're looking at. And if you look real closely at the water gauge, you see that they have been feeding themselves a lot. In the first tier, we have orange hat tomatoes. We have 4 of those, and they are doing good. And we have a cilantro plant. We planted 2 cilantro seeds, only 1 germinated. And overall, everything is doing real well. We'll come back in a few days and see how everything is progressing. Good morning and welcome back to the homestead. This is the 3rd and possibly final update that we're going to do on the Growell 2-tier hydroponic system. And if you remember, in the last update, we were discussing how everything was starting to grow and really take off. Well, we are now looking at our orange hat tomatoes, and if you look closely, you can see that they are now starting to put on little flowers and all. We have a total of 4 of these in here, and we have the cilantro. And a few days ago, I went ahead and planted some more cucumbers so that I can plant outside. So these are the Excelsior cucumbers, and hopefully they will grow and I can plant them outside. But as you can see, the water level here for these plants, the maximum that you can have is 14 milliliters, or 14 liters rather, and you can see it's down to 12, so they're not drinking that much. However, down on the bottom tier, the lettuce is really drinking and really growing. So we're going to go ahead and harvest all the lettuce that we planted here. These are butter crunch lettuce, and there are 3 small heads of them. I planted 4 in the hydroponic kit, but 3 of them germinated. And what I have learned since using the hydroponic kit is that sometimes it helps to moisten your seeds or soak your seeds before you actually put them into the kit. So moving forward, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. But I am extremely happy and ecstatic with this lettuce harvest. And it goes to show you that you definitely can grow food inside your house hydroponically. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we put the Growell 2-tier 27 pod each tier. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we put the Growell 54 pod 2-tier hydroponic system through its paces. And overall, I must say I am extremely happy with it. And I'm happy with my harvest. And if you're interested in purchasing one, I'll put the information for it in the description and comment portion of the video. I hope you learned something through this 3-month review of the system. Me personally, it's a good system, and I can grow a lot of stuff inside my house. It affords me the opportunity to grow year-round, which is what I will be doing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but can't grow the channel without your help. Fun fact, only about 3 to 4% of my subscribers actually watch my videos, and let's try to get that up a little bit. The more it goes up, the better it helps the algorithm, and the better it helps me in the long run. So until the next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.